Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to do conversion characters. Now let's see how to do that. First of all, before we do that, we have to know what string is. String is basically a placeholder for words or texts. Now let's look at an example. Let's say we want to do the conversion characters for strings. Now to do that, first we have to type a printf statement, printf, and then bracket, quote mark, double quote mark, and then inside that I put percentage %s. This is the placeholder for a string. Now here what I'm going to do, I put percentage %s, and then I'm going to type is the best programmer ever. Okay, and then quote mark is closed, and after that I have to replace this percentage %s with some word. So in order to do that, I put my name like Tiliban, and then I end this one with semicolon. Now when I execute this one, here you can see Tiliban is the best programmer ever. So here you can see this percentage %s is replaced with my name. That's how we do the conversion characters. Now let's look at another example. For example, let's say you want to do another one, like you want to do two of them. So you put another percentage %s, okay. Now for the first percentage %s, we replace that one with my name. For the second percentage %s, what I have to do, I put a comma, and then it was programmer. So I want to replace the second percentage %s with programmer. So what I do, I put a comma, and then I type programmer, and then that's it. Now if I execute this one, it says Taliban is the best programmer ever. So here you can see this first percentage %s is replaced with my name, and the second percentage %s is replaced with my like with this programmer. You can do this one as many times as you want. So that's how we do the conversion characters for strings. Now let's see what happens if it's a number. For number it's different. For example, let's type some word related to number. So for example, let's say I ate percentage. Instead of s, we put d for numbers. Okay, percentage d, corn dogs last night. And then here instead of words, we put just a number. We don't even have to put the quote mark, right? For numbers we don't have to put the quote mark. Now that's it. If I execute this one, here it says I ate 9 corn dogs last night. And that's how we do the conversion characters for numbers. For example, if you have a number with the decimal points, for that one it's different. For that one, what you have to put, percentage %f. For the decimal points, f is float. So for the decimal point, for example, let's say 3.14567, something like that. Okay, but for the float it only prints 6 digits. So here let's look at the 6 digits after decimal points. 145678. This 9 will be eliminated. Let's add some numbers. For example, let's add some random numbers, and then when I execute, you will only see 6 numbers. Here you can see 145679. So for the float, like after decimal point, you will get 6 numbers. You can reduce the numbers in different way, like you can do 2 numbers or you can do 4 numbers. Now let's see how to do that. So let's copy this one and paste 2 times so we can see some examples on that. So if you want to print 2 decimal points after, like 2 numbers after the decimal point, what you do, you put a point 2 right here. Okay, if you want to print like 4 numbers after the decimal point, you put 0.4. Now you will see when I execute, okay, I had to put a new line because otherwise everything is going to be like this. Let's put \n for new line, \n, and then \n. Now let's execute this one. Now here you can see for the first one it was 6 digits, and then here for the second one it's 3.15 because we put 0.2 right here. That's why it's printing only 2 numbers after the decimal point. And for the third one we have 4 numbers because we put 0.4. And that's how we do the conversion characters for words, numbers, and these decimal numbers. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.